Okay, in this lesson 1 for this alternative finger, we are going to start with the chord E minor. If you can recall, we studied that if you want to play the chord E minor, you have to place your first finger into the second fret of the 5th string, and your second finger into the second fret of the 4th string, like this one. That is E minor. But also you can alternate these fingers. You can take this one, third finger, and put where the first finger was, and introduce the third finger. It will just sound well. It doesn't matter which fingers you use. You can even use these two. But specifically, I want to talk that, for example, if you are moving from E minor to C, you find that if you use these two fingers here, it is easy because you just take your first finger to this C note and you place this third finger into here, the C note, and it is C. So it is just C, E minor and C. If you use this one, it is E minor, then you have to interchange like this, which is not as smooth as if you use E minor and C. So if you are moving from E minor to C using these first position chords, I recommend that you use these first two fingers like this. Okay, let us say you are moving from E minor to G. You see, if you use these middle fingers, this one, you see there is a hassle of moving the fingers. But if you use just this way, I've told you in the beginning, it is easier because this first finger stays there. So it is E minor, then to G. So that's how you can alternate fingers from, say, E minor to C and E minor to G. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and if the video is nice to you, you can just click like, and I'll see you in another lesson. Bye for now.